welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something we all strive for, happiness and productivity. Whether you're working from home, trying to balance personal projects, or just want to make your living space a bit more joyful, I've got 25 easy home hacks that will instantly boost your mood and get you in the gear to tackle your day. Let's jump right in. Hack number 1. Declutter your space. A cluttered space equals a cluttered mind. Start by decluttering one small area of your home, whether it's your desk, kitchen counter, or bedside table. A clean space helps you focus more and feel more relaxed. Plus, you'll spend less time searching for things. Hack number 2. Use natural light to your advantage. Did you know that natural light has a huge impact on your mood and energy levels? Open your blinds or curtains to let in as much daylight as possible. Sunlight helps boost serotonin, which makes you feel happier and more awake. Try moving your workspace closer to a window for that extra energy boost. Hack number 3. Make your bed every morning. This might sound simple, but making your bed is a game changer. It gives you a small win at the start of the day, setting the tone for productivity. Plus, a tidy bed makes your whole room look more organized, which can help you feel calmer and more in control. Hack number 4. Use plants to brighten your space. Adding some greenery to your home can really lift your spirits. Plants not only look great, but they also purify the air and create a calming environment. If you're new to plants, start with low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. They're hard to kill, promise. Hack number 5. Create a morning routine. Want to jumpstart your day? Establish a consistent morning routine. Whether it's journaling, stretching, or enjoying a quiet cup of coffee, a routine helps set your mind up for success and reduce stress. Make it something you look forward to and you'll be more motivated to start your day. Hack number 6. Use a timer for tasks. Pomodoro technique. Struggling to stay focused? Try the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task without distractions. Then, take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This hack helps you maintain focus while giving your brain regular rest to stay sharp. Hack number 7. Scent matters. Use essential oils. Our sense of smell is closely linked to emotions and mood. Using essential oils like lavender, peppermint, or citrus can help elevate your energy levels or calm your mind. Add a few drops to a diffuser or even shower for an instant pick-me-up or wind down. Hack number 8. Designate a productivity zone. Create a specific area in your home that's dedicated to work or productivity. This could be a desk or a corner of a room or even just a comfy chair. When you sit there, your brain will associate that space with getting things done, making it easier to focus. Hack number 9. Keep a gratitude journal. Happiness starts with appreciating what you already have. Each morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Focusing on the positive can boost your mood and help you start or end your day on a happy note. Hack number 10. Use color psychology in your decor. Colors have a big impact on how we feel. For example, blues and greens are calming, while yellows and oranges can boost energy and creativity. Incorporate these colors into your space, whether through wall paint, furniture, or accessories, to create a mood-boosting environment. Hack 11. Tidy up for 10 minutes a day. You don't have to do a full deep cleaning every day. Just 10 minutes can make a difference. Set a timer and do a quick cleanup, tidy your desk, organize some papers, or wipe down surfaces. This keeps your home feeling fresh and less overwhelming. Hack 12. Use multifunctional furniture. Space feeling cramped? Opt for multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans, foldable desks, or sofa beds. These clever pieces help you maximize space, stay organized, and feel less cluttered, which ultimately boosts your productivity and happiness. Hack 13. Incorporate soothing sounds. Sometimes it's the little things that make a difference, like sound. Trying ambient music, nature sounds, or white noise to create a calming atmosphere. It can help you stay focused and reduce stress, especially if your home tends to be noisy. Hack 14. Set up a charging station. Even scramble to find your phone charger? A dedicated charging station can solve that. Create a specific spot where you charge all your devices. Not only will you stay more organized, but you'll also reduce the clutter of loose cords lying around. Hack 15. Rotate your decor for a fresh feeling. Feeling a little bored with your space? You don't need to do a full renovation. Simply rotate your decor by moving around artwork, swapping throw pillows, or rearranging furniture. A small change can give your home a fresh vibe and boost your mood. Hack 16. Organize your workspace before bed. Prepping your workspace the night before can set you up for a productive day. Clean up any clutter, lay out your to-do list, and make sure everything you need is within reach. That way, when you start your day, you're ready to dive right in. Hack 17. Use baskets for easy organization. Baskets are a stylish and practical way to keep things organized. Use them to store anything from blankets and books to toys or toiletries. Keeping small items in baskets not only declutters but also make things easier to find. Hack 18. Take regular breaks to stretch. Long hours of sitting can make you feel stiff and sluggish. Set a reminder to stand up and stretch every hour. A quick stretch can improve circulation, reduce stress, and give you a burst of energy to stay productive. Hack 19. Add mirrors to open up your space. Want to make your home feel bigger? Add mirrors. Mirrors reflect light, making any room appear more spacious and open. Place them strategically to enhance natural light or create illusion of more space. Hack 20. Use daily affirmations. Daily affirmations are a powerful way to boost your mindset. Write down positive affirmations and place them where you'll see them every day, like your bathroom mirror or by your workspace. These reminders will keep you motivated and focused on what matters. Hack 21. Keep fresh flowers or greenery around. Flowers are not just beautiful, they can also brighten your mood. Placing fresh flowers or greenery around your home has been proven to reduce stress and improve happiness levels. Plus, they smell amazing. Hack 22. Schedule you time. Productivity is great, but so is taking care of yourself. Make sure to schedule time for activities that make you happy, whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or just chilling out. A little self-care goes a long way in keeping you balanced and productive. Hack 23. Use drawer dividers. Keep your drawers tidy and organized with dividers. From kitchen utensils to office supplies, drawer dividers help keep everything in its place, making it easier to find what you need quickly, which boosts productivity. Hack 24. Keep a water bottle nearby. Hydration is a key to staying energized and productive. Keep a water bottle by your side at all times. When you're hydrated, you feel more alert, focused, and ready to tackle any task. Hack 25. End your day with a clean slate. Finally, make it a habit to tidy up at the end of the day. Whether it's clearing your workspace or doing a quick clean of the kitchen, a clean home will help you feel more relaxed and ready for the next day. There you have it, 25 simple yet powerful home hacks to boost your happiness and productivity. I hope you found some of these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments which ones you're going to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content. See you next time!